This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making garlic spring onion noodles. You only need a couple of ingredients for this dish. You will need spring onions or green onions, ginger, garlic, and noodles. I have some Hokkien noodles here, but you can use any type of noodles you like, including ramen, egg noodles, even macaroni and spaghetti. To prepare the spring onions, wash and dry the spring onions. Then cut away the roots. Smash the white ends to help it release its flavor. Then cut them up into 1-inch sections. Also, cut up some of the green parts into smaller pieces for garnishing. We'll also need slices of ginger and garlic. To cook, put the spring onions and the ginger into a cold pan. Put in enough oil to cover about half of the ingredients. Then turn on the heat to medium. Let the oil come up to temperature and start to bubble. Let this fry for about 5 minutes. When the ingredients are lightly browned, add the garlic. Give this a good stir, then turn off the heat. Let this sit for a few minutes to let all the spring onions, ginger and garlic flavors infuse into the oil. When all this is cooled, separate the oil from the ingredients. For the sauce, mix together soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and water. Stir the sauce till all the sugar dissolves. You may also put this in the microwave to heat it up a little so that it's easier to dissolve the sugar. Next, cook the noodles according to the instructions on the packet. In a serving bowl, add in 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of sauce. You can of course adjust the amount and the ratio of the oil to sauce according to your liking. Drain the noodles when they are done and put them in the bowl. Give all this a good mix. Then top it with the spring onions and garlic. You can store the leftover oil in the fridge for up to a month. Use it for stir fries and it will elevate your cooking to another level. You can also use it as a finishing oil by pouring it over cooked dishes before serving. This is garlic spring onion noodles.